old sun rising in these eyes, and I can clearly see the cave which lies in our avoiding and embroidering pseudo-Freudian manifestos of this void in which we're toiling. It's just soiling. Pray to clear it all comes boiling down to moon and snake and mother, down to walls of me and other. I will hold my hand up high, leave its print upon the sky. Keep reaching, I keep reaching, Old man rising, mesmerized in how he tried and failed 1,000 times in finding tuning this consuming